Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas Day 12. It is a very cold, rainy, foggy day today. The sun is nowhere to be seen. And my room has gotten pretty messy over the last few days. I kind of just stopped picking things up. So let's work on that and get this out of the way so that we can have a clean, healthy headspace. I always forget that I have t-shirts that aren't oversized, and I put them on. I'm like, okay, I forgot about all of this. I have a waist. I always forget I have a butt. And even though everybody's told me that all my life, it still slips my mind. Sometimes I really gotta stop putting on clothes that are 3 times too big for me. Alright, I feel like I did a pretty decent job cleaning up. I swept my floor. I don't think I showed you guys that, but it looks pretty good. The room looks really good. I'm very happy with it. Everything looks very nice and clean and neat. My floor is cleaned up. Look at that shine. I don't have all this stuff all over my floor. I do have these things on my bed, but they are going to be moved. I just left them on here so I can show it to you guys. Also, before we get into talking about what I have here, like you guys have seen, I have been organizing a lot around the rest of my house. And while I did that, my bedroom suffered. And I'm never able to like take care of multiple things in one day, and that's something that I'm trying to get better at. It's hard. I get distracted easily. Depression does not help it. And sometimes it's really easy to just be in one place and fixate on one thing for hours, and it's hard to not do that. That's something that I'm trying to improve on. It's actually like really hard, and it's not something that I had to deal with before. This has come over the last 2 years. Also, the 18th will be the 2-year anniversary of Alice's passing, and every day that we get closer to that, it's harder. It's really rough. So I'm sorry if I'm not seeming normal. That's it. If I don't seem normal, that's why I am just having a difficult time. Also, doesn't help that Flo showed up yesterday and just like ruined everything. So yeah, let's just get into the stuff that I have on bed. So this, my father-in-law literally bought for himself. He likes these images of America, San Francisco books. He has a ton. He found it for himself and then he gave it to us to be like, oh, you guys can wrap this for me. Like, how dare you? So I bought a few things from Ulta during one of their sales, and this was half off. So originally when they dropped this, when Urban Decay dropped this, I was like, I don't like it. It's the Naked Honey palette. I was like, okay, well, it doesn't look that great. But when I swatched the colors, they look so good. I'll probably do a little look on the vlog tomorrow. So stick around, come back tomorrow, take a look and come see. This color, Amber, incredible. The shimmers in here are insanely beautiful. So really like it. My favorite eyeshadow palette of all time is probably the Naked Heat palette. That's the palette for years I was going back to every single day. So pretty, and it's all the colors that I love. It's beautiful. Oh, I also got these things. The Living Proof PhD Body Builder. I haven't used it yet. I'm curious to see how this works. I have the Dry Blast Volume Spray, and I like it. I don't use it very often because I usually don't need it, and it's more of a pricey item for me. Moving on. This stuff is some of my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I only get these when they're on sale, otherwise they're just way too expensive. I think normally each one is like $15. However, I can get each one for $8 when they're on sale. These are the ginger shampoo and conditioners from the Body Shop. I love this so much. So much. So much! This is my favorite one. And like, it makes my scalp feel nice. I started using it again after my scalp started getting really dry and itchy, and it has helped so much. Like, it doesn't feel that way anymore until I have like 4-day hair. Then, oh, I also got this from Sephora a while back. It's been sitting on my little side table thingy. A set of the Fresh Sugar lip balm stuff. Oh, I like the little container it comes in. It's so cute and it's magnetic. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these in here. The downside about getting the minis of any lip product that has like a twist top, right? As long as it's not like a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick, anything that does this, right? Is that it's so skinny that it gets really weak. That's what happened to my other one, and I ended up having to just use my nail to scrape some off of the top and put it on my lips that way. Really big fan of the Fresh lip balms. I think they're really good. I got my order from Hot Topic. I still have things on back order. This is for Ernie. It's another Funko Pop, as if we don't have enough of them. It is a Carbonite Han Solo. How cute is that? That's so neat. I also got Ernie this t-shirt. Ernie is actually a big fan of Hannibal Lecter. As am I, especially because it's Anthony Hopkins, and I really like Anthony Hopkins. You know, I like his acting. I think he's a really great actor. So, got him this. It says, I'm having an old friend for dinner. So this is another Christmas gift or a birthday gift. We'll see what comes up, what happens. Or maybe even a Valentine's Day gift, you know? There's so many things that happen all at once for us. Christmas, father-in-law's birthday, my birthday, Valentine's Day is 3 days after my birthday. And then Ernie's birthday is like 2 weeks after that. Ooh, this is mine. Of course I'm going to order something for myself. I have no self-control. You guys know this. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. I love it. I'm going to try it on. Okay, here it is. It's so cute. Alright, I got it in a size 2X. That way it's just perfectly oversized, you know? Not messy oversized, just comfy oversized. So, ooh. There's a moth in here. What are you doing flying at my face? What is wrong with you? Where are you? My camera was just at 3% and now it's at 4%. How does that make sense? I got this big old t-shirt in a 3X. About to try this one on too. The downside about the Hot Topic t-shirts is that they do shrink unless they're treated. Like if you get an acid wash one or a tie-dye one, they're not going to shrink. But the regular ones will shrink a little bit. So this isn't always going to be as big as I want it to be, but it still will be very large. I love it. It's not as soft as the other ones though. This one's a little bit more stiff, but after it's washed, it'll definitely improve. Really happy with it. This is pretty cool. I love it. Love it. Love it. I have a backlog of t-shirts that I want to get, but as you guys saw, my t-shirt drawer is very full. And I should not keep getting more and more t-shirts. I do have one more on the way though. Just one, and it has Shah Rukh Khan all over it, and I'm so excited. I'm waiting, and it's like a berry color. Where is it though? I should probably check my tracking. Well, remember how I said I'm going to try to get better at not losing track of doing things? I already did that because I made the mistake of going on to TikTok right after texting my husband back. And one of the first TikToks I saw, probably like the fourth, anyway, was a girl that was wearing a certain pair of plaid pants. And I was like, wow, really cool pants. And she goes, I just want to show off my outfit. And she's talking about the pants, and she said that she got them from Loft, and that they are Loft curvy pants. And if you wear American Eagle curvy jeans, then these will probably work for you. And I was like, I wear American Eagle curvy jeans. I've been wanting a pair of dark plaid pants. I did get one, but it has green stripes, and I'm like okay with it, but also like not super impressed by it. So I go on Loft. And I know Loft is expensive, but as I'm looking at the pants that are originally $79, I noticed that they have a coupon. The coupon is Jingle. I'm telling you guys that because if you use the code Jingle, you will get 70% off of your first item, even if you've shopped there before, I believe. And then every additional item is 55% off. So instead of just stopping with the one item that went down to like $24, it was $23 and change. That went down from $80 to $23. I should have just stopped. I should have just stopped. I was like, you know, I can get free shipping if I spend $75. Like, I know it's a lot, but if I could get multiple items and every other item is 55%, like, it's worth it, right? So I started looking. I didn't have to look. I didn't have to look at all. In the end, I only bought the pants, so that's a slight win in my book, because I didn't buy a bunch of stuff I don't need. I just bought the one pair of pants that I feel like I could make multiple outfits with. But yeah, I lost a lot of time doing that, and now I'm running late to get dinner cooked. So I'm just gonna make some lemon chicken with asparagus. Gonna be very simple, and I will show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. Look at this chicken. It looks like it's not cooked. It looks like it's raw. It is not. It is fully cooked, but wow. This looks raw. It isn't cooked at all. Oh my gosh. That's terrible. I don't like the way that looks at all. I should have just cooked this the way I usually would if I followed a new recipe, and my goodness, this is it's so pale. And this asparagus. It looks so bad. We're gonna eat it because it's edible. But yeah, I know what not to do.
It looks
ever
perfect.
Again.
Stop! It looks perfect.
No, it looks so bad.
Oh, you're so full of it.
All right, it's the end of the night. Oh, I cleaned the mirror. Does it look good?
Looks great.
So, dinner looked horrendous, but it actually tasted really good.
Yeah. Dinner was perfect.
Thank you.
In every way, and it tasted delicious.
Thank
you. Do you know why it did?
Why?
Because you made it.
Thank you.
And you're over here. Oh, it looks so pale.
It did look pale. There was no color to that chicken.
No color to the chicken. It's gonna be horrible.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
Brown food tastes good, like Anne Burrell says.
Brown food tastes good. You don't say it like that. You don't say it like that. That doesn't work.
that is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you. You should like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Professional YouTuber.
Huh, professional nothing.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you've not already. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other. Here's a mess. Be nice to each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye. Mwah.
You're so cute.
Do you like that?
Yeah.